Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and if you are not new here, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this kinky straight V-part wig. So if you're interested in seeing this look, continue watching.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
So guys, jumping straight into this video. This video is sponsored by UNice Hair Company. They did send over this wig to me. So I'm just quickly showing you guys what I received in this package. I got this little silk bag to store the wig in. And I also got this bag with goodies. So I got some clips, got some eyelashes. I received a wig cap, a headscarf. Also this little booklet. It just has some information about the company. And this melt band. Of course, I also received the wig itself. So this wig is a 24-inch kinky straight V-part wig. I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks. So on the inside, you have the clips, you have the combs, and I'm just quickly showing you guys the V-part shape. And you also have the adjustable bands in the back. So we're gonna quickly get into this install. You want to make sure your hair is flat. This is a quick install. You can literally put this wig on at any time. So I'm not gonna braid my hair. You guys can follow these steps. I just parted my hair in the middle, and now I'm using the back of my tail comb to measure the part. That way I know how long my part should be. And then I'm going to form a little V shape for my leave out. And you don't need to leave a lot of hair out just because the track on the wig is so thin. It's perfect for barely any leave out. You don't even have to use leave out with these V-part wigs, so that is amazing. Next, I'm going to comb down my hair and put it back into a low ponytail. So because I have all these ends, I'm just going in with a bobby pin to hold my ends up inside of the wig. So to install this wig, we are using these clips, and we're gonna clip it onto our hair. It opens and closes, so you want to open it and put it on your hair, and then you snap it back to close it, and that secures it down. So it's open, you want to stick it in your hair, and then you press down on it to close it. And guys, just like that, your wig is literally in place. There are combs at the side you can also stick through your hair, but I never used them. But this is how the hair looks in its natural state. It is super full and thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the hair so that my leave out can blend in nicely with it. So just watch me as I straighten this wig. I'm going in with my DAX and my Bio Silk, as always, my two go-to oils. So let's get into this flat ironing process. one thing I will definitely say is if you want this hair to be as flat as possible, one, you must be using a good iron, because not all flat irons will get this kinky hair straight. And you should also follow the flat iron with a comb because it helps it to become smoother. That's just my opinion, but you guys can also do what works for you. So over here I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks kinky and how it looks when I straighten it, so you can kind of see the difference. So guys, don't mind over here at the front where it's lifting, because I'm literally pulling on the hair in order for it to be as straight as possible. Obviously my hair is not braided, so it was like dragging, but all you have to do is put it in place. It's all good. Keep it moving. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue straightening this hair and get back to you guys. So now that I have finished straightening the wig, I'm going ahead and I'm going to flat iron my leave out. So I'm parting it back in the middle. Then I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm going to place it over my hair. I like to put my flat iron over it and then go in and straighten it. It gives it a more smooth and sleek look that I love. So that's what you see me doing now. So guys, this is how the hair is looking with it being flat ironed. It is so nice and full. Like, I actually love the texture. It makes my hair feel like I have like thick, natural hair. That's exactly how it felt. So I'm just adding some edge control at the front of my hair. Of course, it was the ebon edge control that I'm using. By the way, guys, all the details on this wig will be down in my description box below. So don't forget to check out UNice Hair Company because this was great. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It is real quick and easy. This is one of the simplest installs to do, especially if you just want a different look. So I'm just showing you guys the hair, showing you guys, you could still see the kinks, but it looks very natural. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and comment down below how you feel about kinky hair, because I was very skeptical on trying it, but I am so glad I tried it because I love the natural feeling. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.